We're gonna have to get you a Tic Tac. I just came into the garage and he has to follow me. When I go downstairs, he comes with me. He has to know what's going on, why I'm going into the garage. And then once he figures it out, he's like, I don't want to be in here anymore. But welcome. It is Heath with the Groovy Goat Hunter. As always, my sidekick, Fritzy. Say hello, Fritz. He don't want to. We have got a brand new pay dirt review, and we will talk about it right after the intro and right after I get him back in the house. You want to at least wave bye to everybody? Say we'll see you later? Somebody called him a chupacabra the other day. I didn't like that comment. He is a sweet little boy, and his name is Fritz. All right, he's bored. So yes, we have a brand new pay dirt, another one from eBay. The past 5 or 6 pay dirts that I've done has been from eBay. The last one I did was horrible, but gold prices are so high right now, over $3,000 an ounce, that a lot of these pay dirt companies that I buy from, they're sold out. For me to be able to continue to do pay dirt reviews, I got to find some pay dirts, and they're really hard to find right now. But I did find this one. Again, it's brand new. It's very small, so this should be a super fast pay dirt review. And here it is right here. Little bitty bag. And it is from Diggity Dyes. Dig it, tie dye. Diggity Dyes, dig it, why dyes, I don't know. I'm guessing it's Diggity Dyes. And they are a pay dirt seller, it looks like, because every item they have on there is either pay dirt or nuggets. So that's the one we're going to do tonight. And this one is a 1 gram guaranteed bag, and I will read you the description here in just a second. All right, so I paid $97.99 for it, plus $8.50 for shipping and $10.38 for taxes. Grand total $116.87. Okay, so the description: chunky gold pay dirt, 1 gram of chunky gold added, bonus 10 grams of polished garnets added, half-pound bag of fairly easy to pan dirt. You will get one of these 2 bags in the picture. See my other pay dirt and nuggets for sale, U.S. shipping only. Thank you. And that's it. So it guarantees a gram. It also guarantees some garnets. Oh, wow. Okay. Open my pay dirt bag, and I've got a pay dirt bag. And looks like it also came with a vial and whatever you call these things, a little snuffer thingy. What do you call it? I forgot what you call those things. But anyway, I got one of those, and we'll open this up. So there it is. Very, very little amount of pay dirt. So we'll classify it real quick, and then we'll pan it. Got my classifier. We're going to start with the 10 mesh because there's not a whole lot of bigger material in there. Not much at all. I might not classify this any more than 20, 40, and minus 40. There they are, 4 classifications. Let's start with this, which is everything 10 mesh and up. There's my 20 mesh, my plus 40 mesh, and then all of that is minus 40. We are at overhead. There's the 40 mesh. It's pretty clean stuff. I did not even check the magnetics. I didn't see the point. And there is one super small piece. We'll take a look at it with my phone camera and see what that is. But we're done with the 40 mesh, the minus 40. Let's move on to the plus 40. There's the spec. We are now on the plus 40 minus 20. See any gold. Tap it back and no gold. So much for that. Let's move on to the 20 mesh. There's the 20. I'm hearing something at the bottom of that pan. Ah, I see some gold. Okay, feel a little better now. Definitely got a lot of gold in this one. Let's tap this one back. And there it is. Lots of gold in my 20 mesh. Nice chunkers in there too. So there it is. Yeah, very chunky. 15 small flakes. We'll look at that with the phone camera, and then we will move on to the last, which is the 10 mesh. And there is the 20 mesh. And here it is, the final one. Boom, the 10 mesh. Get it wet, and then we'll pick those garnets out, because I do see some garnets. I also want to see if there's any quartz in those bigger rocks. So let's just go ahead and pan most of these smaller rocks off without panning any of the garnets out. The garnets should hold up. Let's pick out the garnets. You'll make a necklace out of that. All right, so we got those out of the way. Now let's pan the rest. Tap it back, and we've got a few more pieces. There they are, 6 of them. And just like that, we're done. Get a phone shot and we'll close it out. So there's the remaining gold. I don't know, that went so fast. I feel like I need to entertain you guys some more. I mean, should I dance for you? Should I sing a song? You don't want to see that. Nothing left to do but let that stuff dry. We'll take it upstairs. We'll weigh it. We'll do all that good stuff. Look at it. Get a value. So I will see you guys up in the room. All right, so let's look at this stuff real quick. We'll do a phone shot of it, and then we'll weigh it, get a value, and be done with this fast pay dirt. So there's the garnets. Look like little blueberries. And there is the phone shot of the gold. Lots of different types of gold in there. Definitely can tell it did not come from the same place. Now let's weigh the gold. We are on grams. It is zeroed out. 1.138. Let's get on the computer and get a value. 1.138 is what we got. We will call it 24 karat natural placer gold. Gold price is $3,024.51. We will calculate 110.66. We will put that in the calculator, 110.66. Here is the pay dirt that I got, 116.87 out the door. It's going to be a good return. Calculate that, and we got 94.6%. That's a really good return. It was a great return, like I just said. The pay dirt was very underwhelming. All flakes, no flour gold, no pickers, no nuggets, nothing like that. And it was in some extremely easy material to pan out. The garnets, they're cool. I don't see a plus or a negative with those things. It's just something people add to pay dirts to kind of give it a little something extra. But yeah, my only complaint was the amount of pay dirt. Part of the fun of pay dirt is panning the pay dirt and getting the gold out, and when you have that little amount of pay dirt, it's not that fun, especially when you can pan it out in 5 minutes. Can't complain about the gold, can't complain about the amount, can't complain about the return. That's all I'm going to talk about. That's all there really is to say about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this very fast video of that named bag, Diggity Dykes. I don't know. What was it called again? Yeah, I almost got it right. Diggity Dies, not Diggity Dykes. Oops. All right, so that does it for this pay dirt review. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you would do so. Until my next review, this is Heath saying peace and love, and I will see you then. Bye.